Hello everybody, Kam Hugh here. If you wanna learn how to snatch your makeup and look like a princess, just watch this tutorial. I use like a really heavy stick foundation so it looks like a blank canvas. I can do whatever I want afterwards. For the contouring, I use like two shades. The first shade is like a medium dark shade so it looks more natural, and afterward I just dark the edges so it looks more feminine. For the eyes, I always make like really heavy liner so it looks more animated and more kawaii look. So for the eyes I use my favorite color, which is turquoise, and I just blend it with some dark turquoise and white so it looks more pastel on the outside. On the top of my lips I always use like a metallic or a lip gloss so it looks more plumpy. Thanks for watching. If you want to follow me on my social media, it's Kam Hugh on YouTube, Instagram and Twitter. And don't forget to subscribe to Boys Do It Too.